There are garages out there that will just rip you off. You've got to watch out for them. They say you need a wishbone, a tyre, a roll bar links, and the cost has just gone through the roof.
Confused.com have teamed up with our trusty mechanic, Thomas, to give you the top tips for not being ripped off on a trip to the garage.
Sadly, there are garages out there that will just bombard you with information, bombard you with technical wording in the hope to confuse you and get you to sign up to work you don't need carrying out. My advice to you is ask the mechanic you're speaking to what's gone wrong with the part that needs changing, why it needs changing, and if it's a decent garage, they should be more than happy to explain it to you. And if they aren't, well, alarm bells should be ringing and I think I'd be taking my car elsewhere. Most drivers out there don't know the name of car parts, and we don't expect you to, you're not mechanics. But there are garages out there that will just take advantage of this. They'll try and sell you a used part as a new, or might not even change it at all. My advice to you would be ask to see your old parts. Make sure it's listed correctly on the invoice. If you've bought a new part, make sure it says new on the invoice, because then if it's there in black and white, if anything did happen in the future, you've got a leg to stand on. You hear this all the time, where a car goes into a garage for one repair and ends up coming out with 5 or 6. Speak to the garage, tell them if any extra work needs carrying out, give me a call first, give me a costing and let me know how urgent it is. You never know, it might not need doing until next month. You know, money don't grow on trees. Most people are scared to take their car to the garage because they think they're going to get ripped off. But we're not all like that. Some of us just live and breathe cars. We just want to help you. So if you do have a question, you're worried about something, you don't quite understand something, just ask us. We're happy to help.